Hi, this is Raina from thecheesethief.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this bracelet. It looks like 5 scoops of ice cream to me, so I'm going to call it 5 scoops. And this is actually inspired by Rin Loomer's Rio H bracelet, which I also have a tutorial for. And it's also inspired by Late Loomer's Baskin bracelet, just because she made an ice cream bracelet and I wanted to make an ice cream bracelet too. It looks completely different, but it's fun, like her Baskin bracelet. So let's get started. So for this tutorial, all you're going to need is 2 pegs of a Rainbow Loom Monster Tail finger loom, or just these 2 pencils like I have here. And I laid out the colors that I'm going to use. So I'm going to make the bracelet in the same color scheme or similar color scheme. You can make the scoops of ice cream any color you want. So I'm going to use red for the cherry on top, this light yellow, green, pink, purple, and blue, and the orange is the color of the cone. So let's get started. So for your first stitch, you're going to take your red rubber band and you're just going to double band it actually and create an X like so. And then now you're going to take your yellow band and then put it on top. And everything is going to be double banded except for the orange bands and the red ones. So the red ones you're going to wrap around twice, but it's 1 band. Everything else is going to actually be 2 bands. So I'm going to pull this red up and over on both sides like so. Now I'm going to take my green bands I should say, and put it up on top. So there's 2 rubber bands. I'm going to take my yellow and pull it up and over, and then I'm going to pull my green bands onto 1 peg like so. I'm going to take my pink bands, put it up on top, I'm going to take this yellow band, pull it up and over like so. Now I'm going to take these light blue bands and put it up on top. I'm going to pull my pink bands, both of them, up and over, and these top green bands, so these ones right here, I'm going to pull those up and over like so. Then I'm going to take these blue bands and put it back onto the peg where the other blue bands are, so they're sitting on the same peg. Now I'm going to take my purple bands, put it up on top, and I'm going to pull over my pink and my green bands. So my pink and my green bands. Now I'm going to pull my purple bands back onto the same peg, and this blue band, just the top one, onto this peg. I'm going to take my orange band, put it on top, and I'm going to pull these blue bands up and these top purple bands up. Now I'm going to take my orange bands and put it back onto the peg, so they're both sitting on the same peg. I'm going to take my other orange band, put it up on top, and I'm going to pull this set of blue bands and purple bands up on the top. Like so. And then I'm going to take my red band, and I'm going to put it up on top, and I'm going to double wrap it around twice, like that. So I just wrapped it around twice. That's 1 band wrapped around twice. I'm going to pull all my orange bands up onto this peg, up onto this red cherry on top. And we're actually done with our first cone. And I'm going to teach you how to do this at the end, because you actually do this at the end. You don't do this right now. So we're going to work on our next ice cream. So it's the same thing. You're going to take your yellow bands, put it up on top, pull up your red bands. move down these bands so you can see the color scheme that I'm using, just in case you want to use the same color scheme. Take my pink bands, put it up on top, and I'm going to pull up the pink on the side. So if I pull up this on the side, the pink is going to actually end up where this green is, which is fine. It's just, if you wanted exact same order, you would pull up this yellow side. I'm going to pull this pink up onto this left side, like so. I'm going to take my green, put it up on top, pull up my yellow. Now I'm going to take, because we're swapping them, and I'm going to take my purple and put it up on top. I'm going to pull this green up and over, and this top of this pink, this one right here, up and over. Then you're going to pull this purple, top purple band back onto its original peg, like so. Take my blue bands, put it up on top, pull my green band up and over, and my pink band up and over, like so. Now I'm going to pull my blue band back onto this peg, and this purple band back onto this peg. That's what you should have. And the reason I always start on this peg is because, do you see how over here this green crosses this pink? So this side is always on top of the side, and this purple crosses this blue. So if you want that, you always want to start on the same peg. And now I'm going to take my orange band, put it up on top. I'm going to pull my purple band up and over, and this blue band up and over. Now pull your orange band back onto the peg where the other orange band is. Put another orange band on top. Pull up your purple band and your blue band, and you're actually done with your next ice cream cone. So if you were to end this bracelet, you would just take another orange band, put it up on top, and pull over all of your orange bands. So all 4 of these bands would go up on top. You would take an S-clip or a C-clip, whatever you have, and then you would clip it like so. And now to make the cone part of the bracelet, so you see how that doesn't look like this? All you would need to do is take an orange band, and then you're just going to wrap it around this 3 times. So you're just going to, it's like tying a rubber band around it 3 times. So this is like what I do in my hot air balloon bracelet. So I'm going to do the same thing on this bottom one. And if your bracelet was longer, it doesn't matter, you're just wrapping it around. So you're just going 1, oops, got caught my S-clip. 2, 3. And then you can straighten it out. So there you go. There's my 5 scoops bracelet. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please visit me at thecheesethief.com for more tutorials like this. If you happen to make this design, be sure to tag me on Instagram. My Instagram username is thecheesethief. I would love to see your designs and like them. Thank you, have a great day, and remember to be kind to one another. Until next time, bye.